have a time? Anybody have a time?
30 seconds.
I forgot about my meatball.
Time.
Good.
Someone get Carly some water.
I want it really bad. I want to be MasterChef Canada. My food dream is to own a restaurant. And my 20-year plan is to own a bed and breakfast.
How's your sauce doing, girl?
Great.
Her mother, Anna, has flown thousands of miles to support her today.
Carly works best under pressure. I love you!
On a scale of 1 to 10, my competitive number would be about a 9.5. I'm Carly.
So what are you cooking for us today?
A sage and apple turkey meatball on a parsnip puree with a balsamic reduction.
Oh, you got 5 minutes?
Spatula. This is my garlic. This is my oil.
Did you apply first thing when you heard about MasterChef?
Actually, my mom applied for me.
Oh, your mom?
She flew in from Vancouver, yeah.
Wow.
Would you have applied yourself?
Of course, 100%.
So, Carly,
What's the time? Do I have a timer? Sorry.
how bad do you want to win this?
I want to win it so bad. So bad. I'm on the verge of crazy. Oh,
When you cook at home, do you breathe? That's right.
do I have a time? Anybody have a time?
30 seconds.
I forgot about my meatball.
Time.
Good.
Someone get Carly some water.
There it is, gentlemen. I'm sweating like crazy.
Let me tell you, the meatball, perfectly moist.
Amazing.
Well seasoned.
Good.
Puree, smooth.
Yes.
And the balsamic goes perfectly.
Thank you.
I can feel your nerves from over there. What do we have here?
That's a parsnip puree, really simple. I just boiled it in the milk and pureed it, seasoned it with a balsamic reduction on top.
Any special seasoning in the meatball?
A special seasoning, yes. My mom's covered. She had this Cajun mix that she gets when she goes
That's
down.
the mistake I think I'm getting from this.
Oh,
is
no.
that you ended up using a packaged seasoning. Thank you.
Thank you.
Carly, I like what's on the dish. It's simple. It's a definite yes.
Thank you.
I thought the dish was a decent dish. I'm concerned about your confidence level in a competition that is going to be extremely fierce. I have to say no.
So, Carly, I hold that one last vote that can take you through or send you home. Do you think that you have what it takes to win this
Yes.
competition?
Yes.
Do you think your mother thinks the same?
Absolutely.
Why don't you go get her? Bring her out here.
Will do.
What's your name?
My name's Anna.
So, Anna,
Yeah.
I don't think anyone knows your daughter better than you.
I love her to pieces. She's my star.
Does Carly have what it takes? Does she have the confidence?
Absolutely. She does. Because I believe in her.
Anna, can you come up here, please? So, Anna, I want you to give this to your daughter.
I'm doing this for us. I'm doing this for this love. I'm doing it for the love. And for the trophy.